A lot of you keep wondering why your videos are not being watched by foreigners. Your videos are not watched by people living in UK, people living in US, people living in Canada, people living in India, people living outside Nigeria. So if you are one of those people that have been wondering why your videos are not being watched by people living in these countries, there's something I'll be showing you. There's something I'll be showing you that will help you properly align to be or position for you to be able to post videos and people in such countries be watching, and you'll be getting, by the time you get monetized, your paycheck will be higher. Of course, you know that if your viewers are from let's say you are a creator from Nigeria and your viewers are only from Nigeria and maybe some African countries, your paycheck may not be as high as people that are getting views from other countries that are outside US, UK, Canada, and all of that. So in this video, I'll be teaching you what to do so that you'll be able to post and then get such views. But before we go into it proper, for a first timer on our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we keep dropping value here so that anytime you come or anytime we post, you'll be the first to know. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know. And then share with your friends so that they will also get what I am saying because it's highly, highly valuable. So let's dive into it proper.
So once you open your desktop, your laptop, you just search studio.youtube.com. Once you search it, your YouTube Studio will open because, like I said, you can only do this on YouTube Studio. You can only do it on YouTube Studio, the desktop version. So it's either you use your laptop or you use your phone and turn it, use your search browser, search engine, Chrome, and then turn it to desktop version. So you allow it to load. Once you open, this is my channel here. This is one of my channels. So once it opens, what you will do is that you go on analytics. Yes, you go on analytics. That is where you will find what I'm about to tell you. So once your analytics open, you see that they're saying my channel got over 3,000 views. So you see the overall performance of your content here. You see your content audience. So what I'm be showing you is on audience. You go on audience so that you see how your channel is performing. So audience means people that watch your video. People that watch your video, they are the kind of people that watch your video. So you come on top geographies. So you see that my highest people that view the highest people that view my video is from US. I have highest number of people viewing my video from US. They constitute 10% of my overall video content. So I have Nigeria, I have India, I have Jamaica, I have South Africa. So, but the highest viewers on my videos are from United States and then Nigeria. So if I want to see more, I'll just click on more so that I'll see other countries that are also viewing my video. So if you open, you can see the graph. You can see the graph there. So you see that United States is topping, followed by India, Nigeria, followed by India, Jamaica. Other countries are also here. UK is here. All other countries are also here. So United States, you can see that United States is carrying blue graph. So you can see that it has shoot more higher than other graph. So it shows that my top viewers are from United States, and that's a good sign because if you're having viewers from United States, at the end of the day, your paycheck will be high. If you're having it from Nigeria, that might be low. In fact, it's not might, it's going to be low because they are local viewers. So this is how to track it. So like I said, once you track this thing like this, the next thing you need to do is you begin to begin to target the time of that country. For instance, if you want to post for United States time, you target when they have closed from work around 4 p.m. So you now check the time zone between Nigeria and United States. So you time when, because their 4 p.m. is not the same as our 4 p.m. here. The 4 p.m. in India is not the same as 4 p.m. here. The 4 p.m. in South Africa may not be same as our own here. So you need to check. You need to go online and check the time zone so that you post when they are awake. You don't need to go and post when people are sleeping. If you post it when people are sleeping, they may not know that you have posted a video. So you need to post when people are coming back from work. Like if you are posting for Nigerians, 4 p.m. is when people close from work. So by 5, they are relaxed. 6, they are relaxed in their houses, and then they'll start watching your videos. You understand? But if you post it when people have gone to work, it may not work because they will be busy with their work. Except on Saturdays or Sundays when people don't go to work and they are in their houses. That is when you post, and then people will be able to watch. On Saturday or Sunday, you can post around 9 or 10 because people will be at home and they'll be able to watch your videos. So this is how to track it. By the time you see this, you check it on your YouTube studio and you see that your top viewers are from a certain country or your top viewers are from Nigeria and you want to change it, you now start posting based on the time from those countries, the time you want to be posting for those countries so that you have viewers from that country. You start targeting it. 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 8 p.m. is okay. So this is how to track this.
So I hope you got value for your time. What I taught you, I just taught you, or what I just showed you now is going to help you. Just go back, apply it, try it out, and then be consistent with it, and you see the difference. And by the time you start seeing results, you come back and say thank you, because this strategy I just showed you now is going to help. It will help you get views from different countries, not within Africa, but US, UK, and all of that. By doing that, it will help you get higher paycheck when you get monetized. Thank you so much for your time. Please don't go without subscribing to our YouTube channel. Send this video to a friend, share with a friend, and then drop a comment on that comment section so that we know how you are feeling about this video. Until next time, remain blessed.